Okay, hi. Happy Monday. Today we're going to be doing proportional relationships, and we're going to be we're comparing ratios basically and rates, and we're going to identify if they're proportional or if they're non-proportional relationships. And a proportional relationship has a constant ratio or a unit rate, and the opposite would be true for a non-proportional. Okay, so the ratio is not constant. Let's take a look here at this cost of pizza. This is a proportional relationship because it's constant. So for one pizza, it's $8. So that would mean that for two pizzas, it would be 16. And so I could actually fill this little chart here. For 3 pizzas, 24. For 4 pizzas,
32.
And for 5 pizzas,
40.
Yes.
Wow.
Basically, it's $8 per pizza. Okay. If we take a look at this example, comes straight out of your book. This one right here. Eyes up here, please. It says that Andrew earns $18 per hour for mowing lawn. And then it says he earns a proportional to the number of hours he spends mowing. So let's see how that is true. We're going to find the amount of money that he earns for working a different number of hours. We're going to make a table to show these amounts. So for 1 hour, that's time in hours with the H, he makes $18. So for 2 hours, he would make, right, 36. And for 3 hours,
54.
And for 4 hours,
72.
72. So for each number of hours he worked, the relationship of the amount he earned, we're going to make it as a ratio. So for the amount earned and the number of hours. And we're going to put it in a ratio in simplest form. So here, 18 over 1 would be $18. 36 over 2 would be
$6.
when you divide 36 divided by 2, you get
18.
no. When you 36 divided by 2 is
18.
18, right? These are all equal what? Kids, 18. 54 divided by 3
18.
is what?
18.
Yeah. Per hour it's still 18. Nothing changes. I mean, right? If you look at this. Yeah, it's 36 for 2 hours, but per hour it's 18. Per hour it's 18. Okay, so all of the ratios between the two quantities can be simplified basically to 18. The amount of money he earns is proportional to the number of hours he spends. They all will be 18. He's still making 18 per hour. It doesn't matter if he works 10 hours. He's making 18 per hour. Holly? Okay, so we're going to do another one. Here's one. I'm going to section this off. And we're going to do example 2 on in your book. It says, Uptown tickets charge $7 per baseball game ticket plus a $3 processing fee per order. Is the cost of an order proportional to the number of tickets ordered? Explain. So let's take a look at this. Here's this chart. Oh my goodness. We're running out of expo.
That should be one of the donations. Or expo.
We have 10 for 1, 17 for 2, 24 for 3, and 31 for 4. This is the cost, and this is tickets ordered. Okay, so it says for each number of tickets, write the relationship of the cost and the number of tickets as a ratio in simplest form. So for the first one, $10 gives you 1 ticket, so you get, it's $10 per ticket. For this one, it is $17 for 2 tickets, or when you divide, you get 8.5. And if you go to the next one, 24 for 3 tickets, but when I divide that, I get 8. For the last one, 31. For 4 tickets, when I divide that, I get $7.75. Since the ratio of the two quantities are not the same, the cost of an order is not proportional. Notice here how every time I divided, I got 18. Didn't matter how many hours. That was proportional. Here, when I divide each one, you get different numbers. $10, $8.50, $8, $7.75. It's not proportional. Once you start to divide, you figure that out. You following me? So division is what helps you figure out if it's proportional or if it's not proportional. So I would say that the cost of the order is not proportional to the number of tickets ordered. Okay? When it is proportional, you'll get the same number each time. When it's not proportional, it will change. Okay? We'll try these on our own right now. Bye, world.